The service conditions in ore excavation, transportation, and metal separation are among the most severe in industrial operations due to stress from high temperature, corrosion, abrasion, and pressure. These conditions require high-performance valves and flow control equipment designed not to fail. ValvTechnologies' family of autoclave valves for high-pressure acid leaching and pressure oxidation include an unmatched level of protection provided by RiBlock AC360, another innovation developed by ValvTechnologies engineers. RiBlock AC360 was created for one purpose: to deliver greater productivity for autoclave processing plants. Unlike conventional coatings, this next-generation formula bonds at a microscopic level, creating a surface that resists even the harshest industrial acids. Customers are achieving greater yield from their operations because RiBlock AC360 provides an impenetrable barrier, shielding valves from the highly acidic, abrasive, and high-temperature conditions commonly found in autoclave environments. RiBlock AC360 brings unparalleled durability and reliability, increasing the operational lifespan of our valves by more than 3 times what other severe service valve manufacturers can provide. This minimizes downtime, reduces maintenance costs, and delivers greater productivity for autoclave processing plants. When valves perform, processes thrive. Learn more today by visiting www.valve.com or emailing info@valve.com.